how to add your credit card, debit card, and more to your Apple Wallet so you can use contactless pay. So open up the Wallet app on your phone and make sure you're under Get Started with Apple Pay. And then from here, we're going to press Add in the bottom right corner. Now, this is going to bring up a bunch of different options. And in this video, we're going to be selecting debit or credit card. So when you select it, it's going to bring you to this page here. And we're going to be pressing continue at the bottom. And there's two different ways you can add your card. You can either scan it using your phone's camera at the top, which you can't see, or you can go to enter card details manually at the bottom. And then I'm going to input my name and credit card number. So once you've done that, you are going to have to enter your security information, and then it's going to contact your provider, and you're going to have to agree to the terms and conditions. Now, once you've done that, your card will be added to your wallet, and from here, you should be able to access it and see it. Now you can close out of the wallet app, and if you ever want to use contactless pay, all you have to do is double click on the big button on the right side, and it'll pop up, and then you just hold your phone near the reader. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.